Do you understand English, but freeze when you try to speak at the airport?
Do you worry that people will speak too fast?
Do you feel nervous when you hear words like boarding pass, gate, passport, and security?
If yes, do not worry.
Today, we will help you speak English at the airport with more confidence.
We will use very simple English.
We will practice real airport conversations.
We will repeat useful sentences together.
And step by step, you will feel more ready to travel.
Welcome back to Calm Step English.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm John.
In this lesson, we will learn how to speak English at the airport from the moment you arrive until you get on the plane.
Yes, we will go together.
First, you arrive at the airport.
Then you check in.
Then you go to security.
After that, you find your gate.
And finally, you board the plane.
It sounds like a lot.
But do not worry.
We will make it easy.
And friendly.
And useful.
So take a deep breath.
Smile a little.
And say this with me.
I can speak English at the airport.
Very good.
Say it again.
I can speak English at the airport.
Yes, you can.
Let's begin with the first part.
Arriving at the airport.
When you arrive at the airport, you usually go to the check-in counter first.
Or sometimes you use a self-check-in machine.
But today, we will start with the most common situation.
Talking to the check-in staff.
First, let's learn some useful words.
Passport.
Ticket,
Boarding pass.
luggage,
Window seat.
aisle seat,
Carry-on bag.
check-in counter.
Now let's use them in simple sentences.
I have my passport.
Here is my ticket.
I have one suitcase.
I have one carry-on bag.
Can I have a window seat?
Can I have an aisle seat?
Very nice.
Now repeat after us, slowly.
Hello, I would like to check in.
Hello, I would like to check in.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
I have one suitcase.
I have one suitcase.
Can I have a window seat, please?
Can I have a window seat, please?
Excellent.
Now let's listen to a real-life mini-conversation.
I will be the traveler.
And I will be the airport staff.
Hello, I would like to check in for my flight.
Of course. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is. And
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
yes, I have one suitcase.
Great. Please put your suitcase here.
Okay,
Thank you. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
a window seat, please.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your gate is A12.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight,
That is a very useful conversation.
and not too difficult.
Yes, simple English is enough.
You do not need perfect English.
You just need clear English.
Now let's practice a common mistake.
Some learners say, I want check-in.
That is close, but better English is, I would like to check in.
Or you can say, I want to check in.
Both are okay.
But I would like to check in sounds more polite.
And polite English is very useful at the airport.
Let's practice again.
Repeat after me.
I would like to check in.
I would like to check in.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
I have one bag to check in.
I have one bag to check in.
Can I have a window seat, please?
Can I have a window seat, please?
Beautiful.
Now let's add one more situation.
Sometimes the staff asks you questions.
For example, did you pack your bag yourself?
This means, did you put your things in your bag by yourself?
A simple answer is yes, I did.
Or, yes, I packed it myself.
Another question is, do you have any liquids?
Or, do you have any dangerous items?
If the answer is no, just say, no, I don't.
Very easy.
Let's practice.
Did you pack your bag yourself?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any liquids?
No, I don't.
Do you have any dangerous items?
No, I don't.
Great job.
Now let's move to the next part.
Security check.
Many people feel nervous at security,
Yes, because there are many rules.
and sometimes the staff speaks quickly.
But the good news is this.
The language is often very short and simple.
Let's learn the most common sentences.
Please show me your boarding pass.
Put your bag here.
Take off your shoes.
Take out your laptop.
Walk through here.
Please wait a moment.
You can go now.
Very good.
Now let's do shadowing practice.
Listen first.
Then repeat.
Please put your bag here.
Please put your bag here and
Take out your laptop and
take out your laptop.
please take off your shoes.
Please take off your shoes.
Walk through the scanner.
Walk through the scanner.
Please wait a moment.
Please wait a moment.
You can go now.
You can go now.
Excellent.
Now let's hear another mini conversation.
This time, I am the traveler again.
And I am the security officer.
Hello?
Hello. Please show me your boarding pass.
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I do.
Please take it out of your bag.
Okay, like this?
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you.
Please walk through the scanner.
Okay.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Sure.
All right, you can go now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See? It is simple.
Very simple.
But maybe you are thinking, what if I do not understand?
Good question.
Here are 3 powerful sentences you can use.
Number 1.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Number 2.
Sorry, can you speak slowly?
Number 3.
Can you help me, please?
These 3 sentences can save you.
Yes, they are like magic sentences.
Let's repeat them together.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sorry, can you speak slowly?
Sorry, can you speak slowly?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Very nice.
And remember, it is okay to ask for help.
You are not weak.
You are learning,
You are trying.
and that is brave.
Maybe your English is not perfect today.
But maybe your trip is the start of something new.
A new country,
A new job,
a new school.
a new dream.
So speak, even if your voice shakes a little.
That small moment can change your life.
Now let's go to the next part.
Finding your gate.
After security, you need to find your gate.
This is another common travel situation.
You may look at the airport screen.
Or you may ask someone for help.
First, let's learn useful words.
Gate,
Boarding time,
departure time,
delayed,
on time,
terminal,
screen.
information desk.
Now let's use simple questions.
Where is gate A12?
What time is boarding?
Is this the right gate?
Is the flight on time?
Where is terminal 2?
Where is the information desk?
Great.
Now repeat after me.
Excuse me, where is gate B6?
Excuse me, where is gate B6?
What time does boarding start?
What time does boarding start?
Is this flight on time?
Is this flight on time?
Is this the right gate for London?
Is this the right gate for London?
Very good.
Now let's do a conversation.
This time I will ask for help.
And I will be an airport worker.
Excuse me, where is gate C9?
Gate C9 is on the 2nd floor.
Thank you. How do I get there?
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left.
Yes, that's right. Then take the escalator up.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now let's try another one.
I like this one because it is very real.
Yes, sometimes gates change,
And that can feel stressful.
but you can ask calmly.
Here we go.
Excuse me, is this the right gate for flight 302 to Bangkok?
Let me check.
Okay,
Yes, this is the right gate.
thank you.
Boarding starts at 6:20 p.m.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now one more useful sentence.
My favorite one.
Excuse me, I think I am lost.
That is honest.
And useful.
Airports can be big,
Very big.
so if you are lost, say it.
Let's practice.
Excuse me, I think I am lost.
Excuse me, I think I am lost.
Can you help me find my gate?
Can you help me find my gate?
My gate is A15.
My gate is A15.
Wonderful.
Now let's talk about boarding the plane.
This is the next important part.
At the gate, you wait for your boarding group.
Then the staff calls your group,
You walk to the desk.
and you show your boarding pass and passport.
Let's learn some useful sentences.
We are now boarding.
Please have your boarding pass ready.
Group 1 may board now.
Please line up here.
Thank you. You may enter.
Now your turn to repeat.
We are now boarding.
We are now boarding.
Please have your boarding pass ready.
Please have your boarding pass ready.
You may board now.
You may board now.
Here is my boarding pass.
Here is my boarding pass.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Great job.
Now let's do a boarding conversation,
I will be the gate staff.
and I will be the traveller.
Hello? May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. And your passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. You may board now.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
Very easy.
Yes, but let's make it a little more real.
Good idea.
Sometimes there is a small problem.
Maybe your seat number is not clear,
Maybe you are in the wrong line.
so let's practice that too.
Excuse me, is this the line for group 3?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Or maybe this one.
Excuse me, where is seat 18A?
Go straight down the plane. It is on your left.
Thank you.
No problem.
These little questions help a lot.
Yes, they do.
Now let's talk about one more important situation.
Problems at the airport.
Yes. Sometimes travel is smooth.
And sometimes travel says, surprise.
Maybe your flight is delayed.
Maybe you cannot find your bag.
Maybe you do not understand an announcement.
So let's prepare for that too.
First situation.
A delayed flight.
Useful question number 1.
Is the flight delayed?
Useful question number 2.
How long is the delay?
Useful question number 3.
What should I do now?
Let's repeat.
Is the flight delayed?
Is the flight delayed?
How long is the delay?
How long is the delay?
What should I do now?
What should I do now?
Now the conversation.
I am the traveler.
And I am the airport staff.
Excuse me, is flight 225 delayed?
Yes, it is delayed.
Oh, I see. How long is the delay?
About 1 hour.
Okay. What should I do now?
Please wait near the gate and check the screen for updates.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next situation.
Lost luggage.
This is not fun.
No, but calm English can help.
Useful sentences first.
My luggage is missing.
I cannot find my suitcase.
It is black and small.
Where can I report this?
Can you help me, please?
Let's repeat.
My luggage is missing.
My luggage is missing.
I cannot find my suitcase.
I cannot find my suitcase.
Where can I report this?
Where can I report this?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Now the dialogue.
Excuse me, I cannot find my suitcase.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My luggage is missing.
Okay, please come with me.
Thank you.
What color is your suitcase?
It is black.
Is it big or small?
It is small.
Okay, we will help you report it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now I want to say something important.
Me too.
At the airport, you do not need long sentences.
You do not need big grammar.
You do not need fancy words.
Short and clear is powerful.
For example, not this.
I am experiencing a transportation-related baggage location issue.
Wow, that sounds like a robot.
Yes. Please do not talk like a robot.
Just say, my luggage is missing.
Simple is better.
Always.
Now let's do a big review.
This is your airport English toolbox.
At check-in, say,
Hello, I would like to check in.
here is my passport.
I have one suitcase.
Can I have a window seat, please?
At security, say,
Sorry, can you say that again?
sorry, can you speak slowly?
Can you help me, please?
At the gate, say,
Where is gate A12?
is this the right gate?
What time does boarding start?
When boarding, say,
Here is my boarding pass.
here is my passport.
Is this the line for group 2?
For problems, say,
Is the flight delayed?
my luggage is missing.
I think I am lost.
Can you help me, please?
Amazing.
That is a lot of useful English.
And now it is time for speaking practice.
Yes, do not just listen.
Speak with us.
Open your mouth,
Use your voice,
even if you are shy.
even if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Say this with me.
Hello, I would like to check in.
Hello, I would like to check in.
Here's my passport.
Here is my passport.
I have one bag to check in.
I have one bag to check in.
Can I have a window seat, please?
Can I have a window seat, please?
Sorry, can you speak slowly?
Sorry, can you speak slowly?
Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Is this the right gate for Singapore?
Is this the right gate for Singapore?
Here's my boarding pass.
Here is my boarding pass.
My luggage is missing.
My luggage is missing.
Excellent work.
Now let's do a confidence exercise.
I love this part.
Me too.
I will say a sentence.
Then you say it strongly.
Ready?
I can travel in English.
I can travel in English.
I can ask simple questions.
I can ask simple questions.
I can understand important airport words.
I can understand important airport words.
I do not need perfect English.
I do not need perfect English.
I just need simple English.
I just need simple English.
Yes.
That is the truth, and
And please remember this.
every strong English speaker started with small sentences.
Small sentences become real conversations.
Real conversations become confidence,
Confidence becomes freedom.
and freedom feels amazing.
Maybe one day you will use English at the airport for a holiday.
Maybe for study,
Maybe for work.
maybe to visit someone you love.
So your English is not just English,
It is a bridge.
it is a key.
It opens new doors.
And you are building that key one sentence at a time.
We are very proud of you.
Now let's finish with one full airport conversation.
From start to finish.
Listen first.
Then practice again later by yourself.
I am the traveller.
I am the airport staff security officer and gate agent.
Hello, I would like to check in for my flight.
Of course. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is. And
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
yes, I have one suitcase.
Great. Please put it here.
Okay,
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
a window seat, please.
No problem. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is A10.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello,
Hello. Please show me your boarding pass.
here it is.
Thank you. Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I do.
Please take it out.
Okay,
Please walk through the scanner.
all right.
Thank you. You can go now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where is gate 10?
Go straight and turn right.
Go straight and turn right.
Yes. It is near the coffee shop.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, is this the right gate for flight 208 to Sydney?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
We are now boarding. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. You may board now.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
That is it.
That is a full airport journey in English.
And you can do it too.
Before we go, let's quickly review.
At check-in, say, I would like to check in.
At security, say, sorry, can you speak slowly?
At the gate, say, where is gate A10?
And if you have a problem, say, can you help me, please?
Simple,
Useful,
real,
friendly.
powerful.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You did a great job.
Keep practicing these sentences again and again.
Repetition helps your English grow.
Listen,
Repeat,
shadow,
speak.
and little by little your confidence will grow.
Now we want to hear from you.
Write in the comments
Which country do you want to visit?
or write one airport sentence you learned today.
For example, where is gate 12?
Or here is my passport.
We would love to read your comment.
And if this lesson helped you, please like this video
Subscribe to Calm Step English.
and share this video with a friend who wants to travel in English.
Keep learning. Keep smiling.
Keep speaking. And remember,
You do not need to be perfect.
you just need to begin.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.